Hi friends, for our writing center today, you're going to need your penguin book, scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. We're going to use this page, what penguins eat, what penguins do, where penguins live, and penguin predators. So the very first thing we're going to do is get all the boxes cut out. So remember, we're going to cut right along the dotted line. So I'm staying on those dotted lines, and I'm going to end up having 4 boxes. So just stay on the dotted lines. Don't cut those solid black lines out. Those are our folding lines. Okay, so I have my first 2 boxes cut off. I'm going to put them to the side, and I'm going to cut out my next 2 boxes. Again, just staying right on that dotted line. Cutting out. And then down the middle. I'm going to put my scraps off to the side so that I can throw those in the garbage later. And then watch what we're going to do. We're going to fold right on the black line to kind of make ourselves little flip books. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I'm going to open my book. I'm fixing that my folder a little funny. I'm going to open my book to the inside cover. I'm going to take out my glue stick, and I'm going to glue down penguin predators. I'm going to put that one right here. So penguin predators, and then what penguins can do. And see how I'm putting the glue on the back of it to make a little book that flips open? Where penguins live. And then last, what penguins eat. Okay, my friends. Now your job is going to be to write one thing, at least one thing. If you can think of more, you can write as many as you want, but you need to do at least one thing under the flap. Let's do the first one together. We're going to do penguin predators. So we're going to do a penguin predator. One of the penguin predators is a seal. So we're going to sound out seal together. Ready? Eel. Seal. Okay. Now, if you can think of more penguin predators, you can write them under this flap as well. I'm going to close this. Now, on your own, you're going to do what penguins do, where penguins live, and what penguins eat. So I want you to think about everything we've learned in class. And I want you to write at least one thing under each one. Now remember, Mrs. Newlands and I want you really just stretching those words and writing the sounds that you hear. Okay, do your very, very best, and we will see you back for writing time.